Hello there. Pressure is going to remain high over the week ahead, so the weather is going to stay quiet once again. Over the past few days, we've been chasing holes in the cloud and sunshine. That was the case again on Thursday. We had quite a lot of sunshine in the West Country, South Wales, and also across northeast England, southeast Scotland, helped by some stronger winds around the top of that area of high pressure. The winds are becoming lighter, and this weather front is trickling its way down into northern Scotland. So we start with some rain here on Friday. That rain tending to peter out as it runs into southern Scotland in the afternoon. South of that, expect a lot of cloud. There may well be some more mist and fog that will slowly tend to lift, but many places will be grey, maybe some sunshine to the east of the Pennines. But another mild day, 14 or 15 degrees, except in northern Scotland, because following the rain, the air is going to get a bit colder here, but only briefly, because that colder air behind the weather front then gets swept into Scandinavia. The milder air returns back across the UK, but it will mean a lot of cloud on Saturday. Difficult to pick out where the best of the breaks are going to be, perhaps across northern parts of mainland Scotland, helped by a southerly breeze, so temperatures will be higher here on Saturday than what we're going to see on Friday. Even though it's going to be a cloudy, dull, misty sort of day for many places, those temperatures are still 14 or 15 degrees. There's the high pressure. It's going to drift into Europe. It's going to allow more of a southeasterly breeze to pick up on Sunday. That's going to drag with it some drier air, breaking the cloud up overnight. So it could be quite a chilly start early on Sunday morning. Temperatures as low as 3 or 4 degrees. But with that drier air, we should see a bit more sunshine across England in particular, parts of Scotland too. But across some of these western areas, we could hang on to more in the way of cloud. After that chilly start, temperatures will peak at around 14 degrees, but for many places, it'll be around 12 or 13. So a little bit cooler on Sunday and perhaps into Monday as well. High pressure still extending its way more towards eastern parts of Europe. The winds will be a bit lighter, I think, on Monday, and we could start with quite a bit of mist and fog around, particularly across England and Wales, and that is going to be slow to lift at this time of the year. Could stay quite grey in a lot of places. Should see some breaks though coming into southern parts of England and into Wales, and maybe some sunshine for Scotland and Northern Ireland, but under the grey low cloud, temperatures will be 11 or 12 degrees. And a similar sort of story, I think, as we head into Tuesday, although there are some weather fronts and signs of rain trying to come in from the Atlantic. But it could be quite a grey, misty, murky start with some fog around again on Tuesday. Again, only very slowly lifting, but across some western areas where the winds will be a bit stronger, we should see the cloud breaking, some sunshine, just the threat of 1 or 2 showers by the end of the day. The temperatures getting up to 15 in Belfast and 17 degrees in Plymouth. And we're going to keep this run of west to southwesterly winds stronger across these western areas over the week ahead, threatening perhaps some rain to come in from the Atlantic with some weather fronts tucking into the northwest of the UK. That's where we're going to see some rain from time to time. But with higher pressure towards the southeast here, it's still going to be dry. There'll be some sunshine around. And after temperatures take a bit of a dip later on this weekend into the start of next week, those temperatures will be back up to around 15 to perhaps 17 degrees into next week.